Hello everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore OTP challenge. So actually, this is a concept of something is different. So he want to, I mean, when you observe this screenshot, so he want to insert the some data, just like this look like a OTP. So I picked this from the UiPath forum. So we'll try to explore how we can do. So already a solution is done. So again, we are doing that. So I have the two websites. So one is this website which I got from the browser side, and another one is the AHA login. So we'll explore these two challenges. I mean, just consider. So first of all, we need to declare the one array. So in that array, we need to store this data. So let me declare this temp array. So and anyway, OTPs are every time it's coming in the digits format. So let me okay here only 4 digits it will allow. So let me done. And after this, we need to enter. So just I'm taking the type into activity. So just take this indicate on the screen. Okay. So once this is done, so you can just go to this Explorer, open in UI Explorer. So there we need to check. So I have this ID and tag is input. Okay, is there any selectors? So this is fine. So next, so what I thinking it might be the changes. So let me indicate on the another screen, another one. So I will indicate on the second box. So we have to wait. Okay, it's not indicating or it's great. Okay, now let me refresh with by two and I will check. So just it's a thought. If it is having, okay. It's validated and it's highlighted, but it's giving us two for this. Uh, Let me check for zero. Okay, so zero for this one, and I will check for one and two as well. So let me validate this, and I will highlight. So here index will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So let me save this. Okay, now this is done. So what I want to enter, so I want to enter this temp array of this. So if we want to loop this array, so we need for each activity. So just drag and drop this for each activity and update here is the temp array and put this is in inside of this loop. Okay, and what you want to update, so you want to update here current row of 0. So because this is in 1 second, let me wait. Current row, that is fine. Current item dot to because it is in digits no, so temp is in the integer, so that's why we need to convert to the string. So now this is done. So next we want to take one temp variable. Already we know no, so every time this is got incrementing. So just we need to replace with this temp counter. So let me take this as an activity, and I will make this as temp counter. I will declare as 0. So because our index is start from the 0, so let me change this to integer. This is done. Copy the same activity and go the inside of the for each activity for loop. So paste it here. Temp counter plus 1. So it will increment for each and every run. So now this is done. Go to this edit explorer and remove this 0 and update this variable. So here my variable is temp counter. So just click on this confirm. Now this is done. So we'll run this one. So let me run this. So why this happen? Sometimes we are getting OTP in via mails. Sometimes some logins. When you go to the some websites like SBI or some other banks or you know. So when you're moving there, so it will ask you OTPs. So that time it will help. So now let me run this. So it got entered the all the text here. Let me check whether I'm able to see this data or not. Hmm, Let me check. Hmm, This is the thing. Let me indicate one more time. Okay, incorporate more explanation. So password, I make it as show. Okay, let me do for all the things. Show. So you have this password here, is it? So just update show. So it will show the password, and some websites it won't show. The why I'm enabling these things, just I want to check whether it's got updated this correct data or not. So now our password is 1257 OTP. So what we given? So here also we given us 1257. So if you have 4 digits, we can go with like this. For example, the same thing, I have this 6 digits of password. So this one we'll see how having the same thing or something is different. So let me change this data. So array has been declared, and just I will go and indicate on this. So let me indicate, and I want to check whether it here also having the same thing or it might be the different. I'm not sure. So let me go to open your Explorer. If it is same things, then it's very easy. So let me highlight with zero, and okay, zero, it's not there. Two, already one we have taken up. So one is already highlighting. Okay, here also the same thing. So let me update these things and we change this. So save on this and go back to the studio and replace this with the control key. So and update the temp counter. This is done. So just I will run this and will close it. So sometimes we have some different OTPs are there, three OTPs, four, five, seven OTPs also is available there. So based on the requirement, you can update those things. Now why it's not entering? So we have to wait whether it will update or not. We'll check that. I think it might be through an error. Okay, it's thrown that error. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, why it's thrown error means our temp counter index will start from 1, but we given here as 0. So because of that only it's causes error. So these are the general common mistakes while you are developing the automations or processes. So make sure that. So now I will run. So now the password OTP has been entered successfully. So this is a way how we can update the OTPs.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.